All right. This is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. Our song by ear in this session is Bring Back My Bonnie to Me, to Me. I think it goes by a few different names. And we're doing this in all 5 ukulele-friendly keys. Today, we are going to play it in the key of F and the key of G, and we are going to modulate between those 2 keys by playing a D7 chord, which is the 5 chord in the key of G. And we'll feel ourselves being lifted up. Hopefully, here's our beat. A 1, 2, 3, F, F. Bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back the slow. Back, bring back my Bonnie to me. Now an D7 and a G.